Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix a common issue in Gemini when using Nano Banana, generating images with the exact aspect ratio that you want. Sometimes Gemini just doesn't get it right, but I have got the perfect solution for you. So let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini and then just log in using your Google account. And once you're in, just go to create image. Just tap on create image, this one, just tap on it, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this is just same way to activate the Nano Banana. And then next, the problem is that sometimes Gemini doesn't generate the image in the exact aspect ratio that you want, and so here's the workaround. First, just prepare a blank background image with the aspect ratio that you want. It can be any color. And then in here I have prepared a black background with aspect ratio 16 by 9 image like this. This will act as a reference for the final image size. And then next, just upload both your original image and the black reference image. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your and then just upload your original image and then the blank reference image like this. And then to make Gemini understand the aspect ratio that you want, just type a prompt like this. For example like this. And then after that, just tap on generate. Okay, like this, that's it. Gemini now generates your image perfectly in desired aspect ratio. As you can see, the image is now exactly on the landscape aspect ratio. That before it has the aspect ratio like this. You can see the difference. Isn't that amazing, right? And okay, that's it. There you have it. A simple way to get accurate aspect ratio in Gemini using Nano Banana. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.